Dictation of advanced physiography. So we ready? 1, 2, 3, start. In this period of, for this period of, no doubt, prompt attention, careful attention, careful and prompt and careful attention to make this to a considerable extent, unless the we could not, we have before us, we have faced, we shall be glad to hear from you, which we can, who are in favor of, we are in favor of, you will be in favor of, they will be in favor of, within a reasonable time, financial assistance in reply to your letter as much as possible and necessary. Very strongly of the opinion, I have no hesitation in saying, if I am right in thinking, in the interests of the public at large, in the interests of the public at large, if I am right in saying, I look forward to the time, all I can say is, I would have been much better for you. It would have been much better for you in the corresponding period of last year. Per capita income, per capita national income, a number of, the number of, a large number of, the large number of, in the number of, for the number of, in a number of, for a number of, in a large number of, for a large number of, in the large number of, for the large number of, high or low, condition or recession, considerable difference of opinion, all India, which has been mentioned, it is better, time and energy, cooperation, anti-national, as a whole, in some measure, cooperative societies, written authority of the drawer, all of you. I am directed, I am directed to inform you, I am directed to deal with Board of Directors, United Nations, United Nations Organization. We will arrange the meeting over and over again. Chief Minister, Prime Minister, as the House knows, Honorable Education Minister, Honorable Home Minister, Honorable House, our part of the country, President of India, Prime Minister of India, President of the country, Prime Minister of the country, sources of revenue, at the present moment, for the manner, most serious consideration, hard and fast rule, more than one country, I should like to tell you, we should like to tell you, because of the fact that all that can be said is scientific and technological from the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the year, in the beginning of the year, tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon, yesterday morning, yesterday evening, yesterday afternoon, yesterday night, today morning, today evening, today afternoon, today night, this aspect of the problem, this aspect of the question, this aspect of the matter, this aspect of the subject, man, money and material, man, money and method, more than once, activities of the chambers, additional production, additional production, and we shall be glad at all levels, and we are glad to have the opportunity at the center in our argument, and we are glad to have the opportunity. But you will note that the chambers of commerce, cordial relations, democratic principles, distinguished guests, everyone of us, every walk of life, face of face the problem. I may in a position, I may be in a position, we may in a position, they may be in a position, he will be in a position, we will be in a position, he would be glad in all this matter in welcoming you one of the premier silver jubilee celebrations usual activities. Very truly yours, dear sir, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours very sincerely. We do not know whether when we have in our own, all of us, please let us know whether or not backward sections of the people, backward sections of the community, backward section of the society, maintenance of law and order for the current year, in the current year, over the current year, technical cooperation in reply to your communication, foreign exchange resources of the country, acknowledge the receipt of your letter, acknowledge the receipt of your letter, terms and conditions. According to the terms and conditions, Agricultural Research Institute, please ensure that play an important part, play an important role, official or unofficial, business-like manner which I beg to acknowledge receipt, directly or indirectly, rightly or wrongly. I have come into contact. I have come into contact. We beg to knowledge. We beg to acknowledge. We beg to acknowledge receipt of your letter. We beg to acknowledge receipt of your letter. I have an opportunity. Depend upon us. We thank you for your inquiry. College education. I should like to say that the will be happy to receive first hand information. It is an important consideration, has not been able to, as may be necessary for your kind inquiry at the last meeting of the board. Greatest possible means, please let us hear from you by for the most important joint select committee. I would like to bring to your kind notice. You are perhaps aware, we therefore request you over the last few years to a very great extent bilateral relations, last 3 years, chairman and managing director, boys and girls, annual, annual general meeting of the bank, creating employment opportunity, public relation activities during the short span under developed country, which may perhaps be necessary, unless and until there is. I regret to say that industrial undertakings, staff members of the company, as far as the matter is concerned, research program, correspondence course, family planning program, state and central agencies, from rural to urban areas, economics opportunities, human resources brought into effect, better position be taken into consideration. Brothers and sisters, before the end of the month, in the first place, in the above circumstances, and one general meeting of your company, apart from being as the House is aware, please let us know your requirements as we have in our country, industry and trade. For your information, large scale production, public relations officer. There is another point of importance. Keenly aware of the problem. You are fully aware at my disposal on the scale required turnover of the previous year. It is a difficult matter, highest level. During the current plan period, normalization of relations, trade and economic relations, world peace and stability, representative of workers, implementation of the various. I would like to draw your kind attention. Operations of the public sector undertakings, all Indian competitive examinations, health of the textile industry, extremely backward, large scale sector. It may be pointed out in this connection, welfare of the rural people, but the central and state governments, Iron and Steel Company Limited, difference of opinion, practical consideration of the problem. We have not received your letter. Various parts of the states, primary school center, economic policy of the country, Diamond Jubilee celebrations, social objective during the previous year, finance commission, library facilities, traffic problems, all parts of the country, all sections of the community, economic policy of the country, extremely difficult situation, deteriorating law and order situation. It is the responsibility of the government in almost every part of our country, any parts in the world, any country in the world, family planning program further increase. I see no reason why. I see no reason why. I may say so. I do not mention. I would like to bring to your kind. It will be very much. Sorry. I will be very much. For the last 2 years, we shall therefore be glad if you will. Both at the center and in the states, village development activities, corporate sector, dealers association. I am also happy to inform you completion of the purchase on one part of the press. I feel sure research and development studies are being taken up. Studies are being taken up. Department of Science and Technology. I am very much the Honorable Chief Minister. First of all, working of the elementary education. I am sorry to say that for a period of men and women for the corporation, sorry, to the corporation,